Hey everyone, welcome back to another entry in the ARMOR tutorial series for ARROW version 6. Today we're going to talk about the calendar module. That's denoted by the calendar icon labeled calendar in your left hand bar. So if you click over to the dashboard, you'll see a month view calendar for the current person who is logged in this case yourself. Here you'll see any events that were added to your calendar, and if you are using our ticket system, you will also see any tasks that are assigned to you that fall into this calendar month. The calendar functions are relatively intuitive. Using these arrows here, you can switch by 1 month at a time. Using these arrows here, you can switch by 1 year at a time. If you click on any of these individual dates, it will take you to that day. And otherwise, you also have a week view here, which you can select, and that will select the week around the date. So today is July 12th. That will select Sunday, July 8th through Saturday, July 14th. As you can see here. So, couple systems here. The first one, you can click View My Events, and that'll just show you a paginated table of your events. That way, if you need to search for something or you don't remember if you did or didn't schedule an event, you can search for that here. You can look at a calendar by staff member if you've got the right permissions. This will allow you to look at the different events somebody else has and add an event for them. If you do choose to add an event for them, if they have an event on that date, as you can see here, it doesn't find any for today. The system will not let you schedule another event within 15 minutes on either side, as to avoid double booking. So you'll have to be aware of that, but otherwise it's very easy. You choose the date, your start time and your end time, the title and the description of the event, and you submit it and it will put it on that person's calendar. We also have the option to mass assign an event. This is the same form, but instead of putting it on one person's calendar, you have the option to put it on as many staff members' calendars as you'd like. Something to be aware of with this tool is it does not check everybody's calendar to see if they have events, so this tool will let you double book if you're not careful. The last system that's part of our calendar is the request system. The request system allows you to use this form here to request a day off, an early out, or a late in, and with a reason. If you choose early out or late in, it will ask you for the time, just so it can keep track of that. And then those requests will show up here for an administrator to approve or deny with reason. I believe that's it for the calendar module. If I've missed anything or you're still confused, please feel free to email us at support@armortext.com. We appreciate you guys consuming our content. You guys are the reason that we can still do what we love every single day. So thank you again. And as always, stay awesome.